Whoa. Did I already know that? Boomers took over the William Hill Sportsbook here. I predicted it. Golly, sometimes I just don't know how smart I am. Anyway, 3-2 blackjack, $5. And I think it's working. I think I see more and more people each visit. 277 beers, 277 shots. Still don't know if that means $3 for those beers and those shots, because they're gonna charge you tax. Would that be right? Yeah, that's about right. 23 cents. 23 cents, yeah, that's about right. That's probably $3 beer and $3 shot. Well, they did a little bit of, they dressed this up a little bit. They put a fence up around here. That's smart. That looks a lot better. Yeah, this looks a lot better. So they're going to have some, they got a DJ up there. It's a female DJ. That's legal now. They can also vote. Now, if they would just go one step further and make these pop-ups $1, I'd be very impressed. But that blackjack table right there, straight ahead, is $5, 3-2 blackjack. So is that one. Got 3 people playing that one, but no one playing that one. Come on, people, you got to come out. You got to come out. Silver 7, 3-2 blackjack. It's the place to be. Look, it's absolutely on fire. I think this Boomers casino, Boomers, is in about more than 10 casinos now. Maybe even closer to 15. They didn't do a lot to it, but they did make it look better. Of course, there's no sports going on right now. It's too late. Because we all live on Eastern time in the sporting world. That's why Las Vegas gets 9 o'clock college football games. That is hard to... People that like to drink beer while they watch college football, that's hard to drink beer at 9 o'clock. Unless you just keep going from the night before. And then it's easy. But the rest of the afternoon's not. I really like the colors. It really pops. I really like this Boomers logo. I like that dog. Dogs on a horse. That's all the impressions I'm gonna do. I don't get paid enough. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. To be truthful with you, I didn't like the William Hill staff, and I didn't like the William Hill customers. I had a problem here. Let's just say that. But that was a long time ago. I've forgotten it. Obviously not. You never forget, but I did forgive. So this room, they took out all those crappy machines. Oh boy, someone's going to tell me those weren't crappy machines. I love those machines. You know, there are people that fall in love with certain machines, and if you talk about the machine being old, they will send you nasty messages. Yeah, it's happened to me. It's just an object. It's not a person. It's not a dog. Yeah, they got better machines back here. What's that one with the television up top? Yeah, I don't understand why that one has that buffalo up there, but these don't. And this one does. Oh, but here we get to see the buffalo up there. Well, it looks like a roast beef sandwich. I don't know. There's some weird shit going on back here, boys. 25-cent machines. They got people in here tonight. And the air is not too bad. Really not. They used to have a big wheel right there in the front. I got rid of it. Now they got, I don't know what they got. Blackjack tournament. No, not tournament. Blackjack, yeah, tournament. Mini tournament. I wonder if the 3-2 blackjack is bringing in more people. Certainly seems like it. I hope so, because I want them to be rewarded for doing something good. More and more casinos are bringing in 3-2 blackjack, $5. After a while, they'll all have it. We can hope. They fixed this place up a little bit in the last few months. They really have. This is a good looking room. There's nothing wrong with this room. I like the old school welcome to Vegas over here. Welcome to Silver Sevens. That's a nice touch. I used to be an interior decorator, so I have to give them props for that. I used to just say put more shag carpeting in and it'll be better, but all of a sudden I got aged out. Yeah, they got good looking machines in here now. Actually, that's a really nice one. Set of machines right there. I like what's above it. I stayed in this tower, but I don't know what they call this tower. This is the tower to stay in. 1101 to 6623. Remember that, because I don't know if they call this tower. You can't call it the non-smoking tower because the whole casino rooms, all the rooms here are non-smoking now. This used to be the original non-smoking tower, and that's all you had to know. I don't know if they call it the, this would be the East Tower, but they might not call it that. But this is the tower to stay in, because these rooms were always non-smoking, and they were always nice, really nice. Okay, I stay at Motel 6. So, you know, when I say nice, I mean not gross, not nasty, not cigarettes burned on the bedspread. In fact, no bedspreads. If you go into a hotel and has a bedspread, immediately take that bedspread and throw it out. That's gross. You know what people do on the bedspread? Yeah, I know, because we've all done it. It's really a good looking swimming pool. There's a better angle of the pool. Perfectly fine. I mean, it's not overboard, no waterfalls or anything like that, but it does have a hot tub. But it's clean, crystal clear water. And it's just really nice. They have a comedy room up here, and I don't think it's caught on yet, but they're giving it a try. I mean, you know, that's all they can do is give it a try. Thursday through Sunday. So it's going on right now. It's in here, right in here. There's so few people in there, I don't want to open that door because I did it once before and it was like 2 people watching a poor guy do his comedy work and I interrupted it. I felt horrible about it. To this day, it still hurts me. And here's the Denny's. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. There's not one damn person in Denny's. Not one. Oh boy. The problem with that is you don't want to be the only one. You want to just leave. But what can you do, you know? Need to. This was going to be Pink Taco. And it was going to go straight out over the vestibule. That was going to be really cool. But that didn't work. How can you get a waitress to work in Denny's at this location if it doesn't have any business? Oh, she saw me and she's thinking, oh God, I got some business. I'm going to get a $1 tip. I feel bad. All the Denny's that have come into casinos now I absolutely don't think any of them are getting any business. But the Denny's next to Casino Royale seems to be doing all right. Of course, it's right on the strip. But golly, people, come on. If you're drunk, eat at Denny's. Yeah, I think it's not a bad casino. I mean, it's not a bad looking casino anymore, really. It had really gotten worn down.